Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. Yes, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in my house right now because there is SOBOLO in the house. Yes, so Christmas is not complete without SOBOLO. You may know this as Bissap, hibiscus tea, Zobo drink, but however you call it, this is a very delicious version of mine. You need to try this Christmas. So come along and let's get started. You will need some oranges, which I have scrubbed very clean. We also need one whole pineapple, and I have scrubbed the living hell out of the pineapple because we are going to use the skins as well. So do what you need to do to get it as clean as possible. I also have some fresh ginger, preferably organic ginger, and some spices we are going to use. We need some grains of selim, star anise, cloves, and African nutmeg. For the hibiscus leaves, I'm going to be using two types. This one, and I have another type I will show you in a minute, but this one is lighter in color, and you can get this online from most places. But the one I'm going to combine it with is from Ghana, and that one is a bit darker in color. But to be honest, it doesn't really matter. You can use either of the two, but I just like to combine them. So when I put it side by side, you can see that the regular one is lighter in color and the one from Ghana is very dark in color. I am of the opinion that the one from Ghana gives you a very dark, rich purple color. To start the SOBOLO, you want to prep all your fruits and set it aside. So I'm going to slice the oranges, set it aside, and then cut my pineapple. And I'm going to first cut off the skins, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to keep it because, like I said, we are going to use it. Next, you want to chop up the actual pineapple and put it in your blender. Add your ginger and enough water to cover and blend until it becomes very smooth. Now set your blended pineapple and ginger mixture aside and wash your SOBOLO. Yes, so you really need to wash your SOBOLO because sometimes they contain some foreign particles you don't necessarily need in your drink. So wash them really well, and trust me, it will not make you lose that purple color. I wash mine under cold running water, and whilst doing so, I try to take out anything that I can see with my bare eyes that I know doesn't belong there. Transfer your SOBOLO leaves or your hibiscus leaves into the pot you'll be using and arrange the oranges on top of it. Next, you want to add the skins of the pineapple as well. Now add all of your spices and then pour over the blended pineapple and ginger mixture and top with about 8 liters of water. I am making about 9 liters of SOBOLO, and that's a lot, but I'm doing so because I want to give them to friends and family. Now go ahead and transfer your pot to your stove and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, I'm going to give it a good mix. Whilst doing so, I try to press on the oranges for it to release its juice, and then turn down my heat and allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you realize that the orange is completely broken down. You will now turn off your heat and allow it to cool completely. And in order not to sit around waiting for it to cool down, I usually make this in the evening and leave it to sit overnight so that I can continue the next morning. When my SOBOLO is completely cooled, I'm going to strain it first through a colander just to separate the fruit and the leaves from the juice, and then strain it again for the second time using a muslin cloth. You can also use a cheesecloth or a nut milk bag or any clean cotton kitchen towel. And this is necessary because we don't want any of the fiber from the pineapple to be left in our juice. We want a clean juice. So all there is left to do now is to sweeten our drink, and I do that by scooping some of the drink into a smaller saucepan and then add sugar to make a simple syrup. and I stir the sugar until it is fully dissolved. Now add the syrup back to your drink and stir everything together. And of course, you don't need to use sugar. You can use maple syrup, honey, any sweetener of choice will do. You can also just go ahead and add your sugar to your drink and stir that in until it is fully dissolved. I don't have patience for that, so I just like the syrup method. But you are the boss of your own SOBOLO. Since I plan on gifting these out to friends and family, I got these lovely bottles, so I'm going to bottle them and then give them out. And I know my friends and family are really going to love this. But of course, somebody has to taste it, so I pour myself a glass over some ice and I really enjoyed it. So I hope you try this simple and easy Christmas drink for your family and they are going to love it. So, until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting, especially during this festive season. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.